Okay, you need to expand. Maybe you just received FDA approval. You got that big round of funding. And now you need to expand fast. You need to hire talent that will make it all happen. And guess what? The board, if they're like most of the time, they wanted it yesterday. So what do? How do you double a team, maybe triple, in short order? The good news is over the last 10 years, FloodGate has performed over 40 expansions. And over that time, we've dialed in a simple, step-by-step roadmap to help you execute a rapid expansion to make the impact your market needs. Click below and you can download our roadmap. Or, hey, give us a call and we'd be happy to walk you through it. Now, FloodGate Medical can help you net the talent you need to make the impact your product and company expect, because our mission is to improve lives by uniting great people with great companies. So reach out and we'll help make your expansion happen. Thank you.